Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make a Google Gemini photo using the Google Gemini AI photo editing. First of all, make sure you have the Google Gemini app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version. Now, open the app and log in with your Google account if prompted. Next, tap on Create Photo or the plus icon to start a new project. You can either upload an image from your gallery or choose to generate a new photo using AI. Now, if you're generating a new photo, type in the prompt or the description of the image you want. For an instance, describe the scene, subject or style you want the AI to create. And once you've entered the details, tap on Send and the AI will process your request and create the photo within a few seconds. After your photo is generated, you can save it directly to your device or share it on social media. It's that simple. With Google Gemini, you can create professional looking AI photos in just a few minutes without any complicated steps. And that's all. That's how you can easily make a Google Gemini photo using the Google Gemini AI photo editing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.